what's up everybody, Sami here.
And Sami.
Today we are going to compare the iPhone 16 Pro Max
And the Xiaomi 14 Ultra.
Yeah, and today we are at the panda theme park, okay? The real panda, okay, which I will show you a little bit later. So stay tuned until the end of the video. Let's get started.
Let's go.
Both at 4K 30. Okay, red panda, still panda. Okay, 15 times, go 15 times, so. Hey panda! Okay. So this time, the telephoto lens is very important. It's both at 15 times. Maybe we can. 1 time. 2 times. 5 times. 15 times. Or 5 times. That feeder is the happiest.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Olha, gente, nós estamos agora aqui no nursery room. E tem
5 times.
Olha só. Gente, eu gostaria de ser muito um cuidador de pandas, né? Oh, tem ali embaixo também.
15 times.
Ali atrás tinha 2 bem pequenininhos, mas o cara não
15 times. No, 10 times. Okay, 10 times. 10 times. 15. 15 times. 3.2. 2.
Olha lá, gente, ele tranquilamente comendo. E outra curiosidade para vocês, os pandas vermelhos, eles têm um dedão falso, que na verdade é uma extensão do osso do punho, que facilita com que eles segurem os bambus.
Watch what? Okay. 5 times. 5 times. 15 times.
The night is young, we go, it's strong till dawn. Up all night till the morning comes, we love it so. We go, it's strong for more. Let's get it on and rave all night long. We're the party pioneers. We won't bring the fire when we go for a ride. Party pioneers. Things are going well, 'cause we are the party pioneers.
So at this time, telephoto lens is more important. Ultra wide. 1, 2. Okay, 3.5, 3.2 on Xiaomi. 5 times. 5 times. Then goes away all the 15. All the way 15. Xiaomi seems to blurred everything. About 4K 60, I want to test the stabilization a little bit. 4K 60. So let's see. Let's check this out, guys. Oh, this is so cute. It's like, so it's a newborn baby, newborn cub, 2 weeks, 1 month, 6 months, 1.5 years. Stop adult period. Wow. Giant pants growth process. Okay. Now 4K, 60 for the front. Whoa, iPhone is way better. The dynamic range is much better. You can see the cloud in the sky. But for Xiaomi, it just got totally blown out. Wow. Let me run a little bit. Definitely iPhone wins, right? Okay. Or maybe whatever. So that's the comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and
Xiaomi 14 Ultra.
So which one do you prefer? Simi? Ultra, okay.
I think it depends on the situation, right? Like
Yeah.
sometimes for the videos, maybe iPhone is better, and sometimes for the photos, especially for the zoom photos,
Yeah.
Xiaomi will win.
Yeah, so do you like the Panda anyway? They are lazy. Some of them are lazy. I'm gonna get the souvenir. So yeah, please leave your comment below and which one you prefer.
And subscribe to our channel, of course.
Yeah. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.